Well, looks like my computer crashed at the right time, which means time to wait until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or Eastern Standard Time, whatever, which means KDKA, KDKA.
Emergency alert.
What? KDKA, you did not.
Station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Good evening.
Excuse me? KDKA. You just failed big time. And I mean, did you fail big time? First, I thought we had to wait until 9:30. Second, they test out after playing the amplified theme. Anyway, KDKA had to test after the amplified theme, and I'm actually going to hurry up with this one. Anyway, as usual, well, not as usual today. Today I am joined by...
What's up, Mike?
What?
23165. Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS. Derek our fans down to two who's currently want to do the cha-cha slide. Let's get funky.
What? Anyway.
It's actually my favorite song.
Anyway, I gotta hurry.
Let's get funky, funky with the funky pound.
What? Alright, anyway, JR, I got you.
What?
Instead of S213, call me for tomorrow, birthday gamer 2413. Ayo.
Yay! And happy birthday, my mommy savage. I mean, what? Hey, mommy. Oh no! What is Antonio doing?
Real quick.
Okay, hurry up.
Okay. So, I've got nothing left.
Antonio, repeat what you said.
Anyway,
I didn't say anything.
Hey. If you didn't say anything, then yeah. Anyway, I got nothing else to say. I don't think these guys have anything left to say. This is Space 3891, signing out. Peace.
The only thing I have now is KDKA. Why did you have to test after the amplified C?